Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to learn a few experts, EXCRPTS, important words from the speech given by Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri N.V. Ramana, on the occasion of the convocation of Shri Hidayatullah National Law University, Raipur. He has given a good piece of advice, particularly to the young lawyers regarding the spreading of constitutional spirit or the human rights to the general public. So, what he said is, please spread awareness on the Constitution. This is the advice he has given to the law graduates. Why? Because everybody knows the knowledge about the Constitution is confined. The knowledge regarding the Constitution and its provisions, it is confined to a small segment of the population. Only few members of the population, they know the importance of the Constitution and the important provisions like Part 3, that is fundamental rights. Who are they? Number one, law graduates, lawyer, definitely they study the subject. And some officials, maybe who appeared for the UPSC or RDO, Group 1 exams, yes, definitely they have to know about the Constitution. Third one, the public-spirited persons, definitely they know the law. Yes, I know. So many public-spirited persons, so many NGOs, they know the law. But common man, he doesn't know the Constitution. Common man, he doesn't know even the basics of the tenets of the Constitution also. Now, the law graduates, they shall take up the mission of spreading the awareness on the supreme document, that is Constitution of India, among the common people. So, law students, while going to the villages for legal literacy camp, yes, they take the topic as they take the Constitution as one of the topics and try to spread awareness among the general community. Right? So, the Honorable CJ said that it should be the endeavor of the law graduates to explain the constitutional provisions in simple terms and assimilate its ethos into the minds of the people. Definitely, so if you study the Constitution verbatim, it may be difficult for you to understand. Therefore, it should be made simpler. It should be read, so it should be made or it should be written in a simpler way. That's why I think last month, the 7th or so. So when we had a meeting, it is a political meeting, I should not say the name. Then the boss of the political party also stated that yes, we have to spread awareness among the community or the general public regarding the Constitution. Therefore, he wanted one of the eminent advocates to prepare a small handbook which will be useful to the common people. So everybody is thinking on the line. Right now, Honorable Justice CJ said that it is a sad reality we have to accept. The sad reality that the supreme document which defines the aspirations of the modern India is confined to the knowledge of the law students, legal practitioners, and very small segment of the common people, just like our Bhagavad Gita. So, when do you hear the slokas of Bhagavad Gita? So, when we hear the sloka of Bhagavad Gita, it is definitely, we understand that some person died. So, that is the stage of Bhagavad Gita. But Bhagavad Gita is such an important document. Every sloka has got its own meaning, but people don't care. So, Constitution is meant for every citizen. Citizens must be made aware of their rights and duties also. So, the constitutional republic should actually thrive if its citizens are aware of the Constitution. Yes, why other countries are flourishing well? Because they know the provisions, they know the human rights, they know the constitutional provisions. So, therefore, he advised the lawyers, friends, lawyers, would-be lawyers, you are the social engineers. So, and a lawyer should be an all-rounder. It has come in the press also. The lawyers should be all-rounders. Then, please remember, his speech concludes like this. You have brain in your head. You have feet in your shoes. you can steer in any direction. That means your intelligence can be taken to any direction if your feet drag you to the other side. You know what you know, and you are the one who will decide where to go. Yes, it is you, because it is a profession. Nobody will ask you to go this side or that side. Wherever you have got interest, you will be going. So better go to the villages, or better to spread the literacy regarding the so-called constitutional rights to the common people. So just like human rights. NHRC, one of the functions of the National Human Rights Commission is to spread awareness among the general public about the human rights the public have got. No doubt, they are given in the fundamental rights of the Constitution. They are given in the international covenants like ICCPR, that is International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICSCR, that is Social, Cultural and Economic Rights. So many things are there. You have to explain them, that too in their way, in a simpler way. So definitely people will understand the ethos of the Constitution. Therefore, please, as advocates, you must also make it a part of your journey to create awareness among the public about the constitutional provisions. Of course, it is having 395 provisions. No doubt, you need not bother about all this. The fundamental rights, the directive principles of the state policy, if you are able to explain them in a very fundamental way, in a very simple way, definitely they will be getting knowledge about the constitutional provisions. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.